Hello everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to QA automation classes. And in the last session, we have seen how to run your feature files through the runner class and what is the difference when you run the feature files through the runner class and when you run the feature directly, right, by passing the glue code location, right? So we saw the difference. And today we are going to look into the page object model approach to the framework, right? So till now we have only one page, okay? So we went to the landing page, okay? If I open this one, so if you see the automation exercise, okay, so this is your application homepage, right? So this is one of the homepage, and in this homepage we have this sign up or login link. So when you click on sign up or login link, it goes to the another page, login page, right? So till now we are interacting with the two pages, okay? So we'll be creating the page classes, and whatever the elements are there, we'll be creating the locators for them, right? So in the page object model, so for each and every pages we design one class, okay, and in that class we create our web element. Whatever the web elements are available, we create those web elements, and after creating the web elements, we initialize them and we write the methods which does some operation on those web elements. So now in the home page, right, so there are so many different elements are present, right? But my intention is to click on sign up or login page, right? So whenever there is a complete end-to-end framework development, I have to get all the XPath or whatever the locator of each and every links over here and whatever is coming, right? So everything I should be capturing, right? And then whatever the test case I'm automating, I'll be using that in the our framework development, right, in our test cases. So now my test case is opening the sign up or login page, right? So this is the first step. So for that I have to create a page class for this page, right? So after creating the page class for this page, I'll be using this locator and I'll be performing some operation. I'll be clicking on it basically, right? And let's go to the IntelliJ and start creating. So if you go to the IntelliJ, you see we have the directory for step definition, we have directory for feature, we have directory for test runner, but till now we have not created anything for the page object, right? So let's create a new package in the source test Java, okay? So here right click, new, and let's say directory package, okay? So the package will be page object classes. Let's say page object classes or page classes, you can say, okay? It depends what we are giving the name. I'm saying it is a page object classes, okay? So in this page object classes we have created under the source. Inside source there is test, and inside the Java we have created, okay? If I close all of them, you see source, source, test, and Java, and I'm creating that page object classes, okay? And inside this page object classes, for each and every page, whatever the class we are going to create, we have to place it here, okay? Right. So now so let's do one thing, okay? So we can create a class first, okay? So let's create a class here, new Java class. I'll name it as home page class, okay? Home page. Why home page? Because this is nothing but our home page. This is asking to get, okay? So now if you see here, this is nothing but my home page, right? So this is the home page, right? And in the home page, what I'm going to do, I'm going to first identify the web element, right? So what kind of thing I'm going to do here, okay? So let's do one thing. So let's say, okay, uh, web driver, okay, home page, okay? So now let's define what are the things we need here. So let's say public, okay, web driver, okay? So public web driver, and we'll give the driver reference driver, okay? And then we can go with the expected title, like we will verify the title, right? So we can say private string expected title, page title, okay? Expected page title equals to okay, so it was here, right, in the step definition. I can copy from there. So this is the one, okay? So let's go to the home page, okay? So here this is wrong actually, but I'm writing it now. We'll be moving it to the sign up or login page later, okay? So why it is wrong? Because this whatever title I'm going to verify here, right, but I am inside the home page. In the home page, if you go to the home page, this page title is home page, right? This is home page title, something will be there, right? Let's inspect. So let's go and see head title automation exercise. This is the title, this is the home page title, right? And when you go to sign up and login page, then you inspect the title, then you will see that title that I just copied, right? So but now we are not going to create this second page, so here only I'm writing this automation exercise and up this page title, okay? So So I'm just trying to assert it over here, but it's okay. But in the ongoing sessions, right, we'll be moving whenever we are creating the new page for the home page, like a sign up or login page. There will be moving this piece of the code. Okay, this title assertion should happen there. Okay, and now in the home page we need to identify the web element, right? So let's say at the rate find by. So we are going with the page factory. Okay, so at the rate find by. So what exactly we are going to do? So we are going to find by the x path. Okay, so let's say x path. Okay, so what is the x path for this one? So let's go to UI and sign up a login page. Let's take this one. Okay, so okay, so now control F double slash. I think I have already created that one. I can copy from there, no need to write it one more time. So if you see here, right, okay, this is the one. Okay, a href slash login. So this is x path. Okay, so right. Okay, so within the double quote you write x path equals to double slash a at the rate href equals to login. Okay, so this is what you are going to do. And okay, so we have defined with the find by annotation x path, and we can go with this cache lookup. Okay, so cache lookup, it will, instead of loading it at the time of the call, it will try to look it. Okay, and it will keep it in the context so that you don't have to search for this one again and again, right? So cache lookup, and I have to define the web element. Okay, so let's say private, and it's a web element. So web element, and I have to give some name, right? Sign up or login link. Let's say sign up or login link. Okay, so now if you see what we did, we identified the login link, and we are using that find by annotation, and we are using xpath, and then we have assigned it to a web element. Okay, why private? Because these are all right, these elements whatever I'm designing, this is specific to this page class, so that's why we're going with the private access specifier. Okay, and okay, so now the next step would be to create the constructor of this web page. Okay, so whenever the constructor we are creating the object of this one, the driver instance will get initialized here, right? So for that one we have to design the constructor, right? So let's write public and home page. So why we're writing public over here? Because this constructor is going to get called right from the different class, right? It is not inside this class we're going to call it, right? These private elements will be accessed inside this class, so that's why we're saying this as the private, right? But this home page constructor is going to be called from the different test case, or the basically we'll be calling it from the step definition, right? So so for that, sorry, so for that we're writing it as a public home page, and we have to pass the web driver. Okay, and driver reference. Okay, so web driver. So what exactly we have to do? We have to initialize the driver here. Okay, so let's say this dot driver, okay, equals to driver. So this means what actually? Okay, so this means when we are calling this constructor, we have to pass the driver variable, right? Driver instance, and that driver instance will get instantiated here. It will be initialized. Okay, and here also we can do one more thing. We can init the element, right? So since we are going with the page factory, the concept of the page factory says, okay, so whatever the web elements are there, right? So we can initialize them, right? Page factory dot init elements, right? Init elements. Okay, so in init elements we can give two parameters. One is the driver, and we'll say this object, and refers to this object. Okay, so this is how you design the constructor of this home page class. Okay, so after the constructor is defined, right, so we need to perform some operations, right? What operation we perform on this page? So when you go to this page, right, so what operation you perform? Basically not login page, let's go to the home page. Okay, we are in the home page, right? So in the home page, what operation you perform? So in home page, I'll just say sign up or login, click on this link. Okay, so we have to define that one, right? So we have to define that one. So how to define that one? So let's create a new method for that one, right? So here you can say public void, and we'll say click sign up or login link. Okay, so this is the method name I'm giving, and here how to click on that one. So we have already created the web element for the sign up or login link, right? So now with that we'll say dot, okay, and we can have the click method, right? So it will identify this web element and it will do a click operation, right? And here we can just give a sub statement. So we'll say clicked on sign up or login link. So we'll see something on the console, okay, after executing. So this is what, okay. And one more thing I said, like we'll be doing here, but will be verifying the next page title, which we should be doing ideally in the another page. When we create another page class, sign up or login page class, we'll be moving this piece of code there. But as of now, I'm just keeping it here because I have not created the second page class. I'm not trying to create it now. So when we proceed further in the framework development sessions, I'll be creating that one. Okay, so but as of now, let's verify over it here, right? So let's say one more method, public void, okay, and I'll say verify sign up or login page title, sign up or login page title. Okay, so I'm going to verify the sign up or login page title over here. So how to verify? Okay, so if condition, right? So driver dot get title, right? So driver dot get title will get the actual page title. So we have to compare it with the whatever we have already defined, right? So equals ignore case. If you don't have to check for the case sensitivity, so you can go with the equal ignore case, or you can go with the equals also. Okay, and here you pass your expected page title. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, right? So then s out. Okay, so s out, you can say sign up or login page is displayed, right? Sign up or login page is displayed. If it is not satisfied, just go with the else. Okay, so let's say s out. So let's say else s out. So here we'll say sign up or login page is not displayed. Okay, not displayed. So if you see, this is overall page class. Okay, so here as per my need, I have created only, I'm accessing only one web element, right? So when I'm developing for this particular flow, I need this web element, so I have the method for this one. So when tomorrow you are going to, let's go to the UI. So let's say in tomorrow you are automating the products link, right? So you will come to this web page and add this web element over the class. In the class you will add the web element link for this one, right? Now you have to identify, and you have to write what exactly you intend to do with this product link, right? So you have to do that here. Okay, so initially what you are going to do, you are going to create all these whatever is required. You can create those web elements, and then the corresponding methods, what you are going to do with it. Okay, as and when you automate the more and more test cases or the test script, you keep on adding those web elements which are going to be used, right, in your automation flow, right? That's how basically in the industry we do. Okay, and let's go to the IntelliJ. Okay, so we're done here. Okay, so now okay, so and if you see the driver, let's go to the step definition and see what are the changes we need to do here. So step definition. So now if you see this driver initialization, right? So driver initialization is okay, we'll keep it here because this driver initialization is something that is common to all the test cases. So this can be moved to a specific reusable class, right? Or it is a kind of reusable component. And similarly your driver quit is also a reusable method, right? So these two things will be moving into another reusable utility. Okay, so as of now we'll keep them here. Okay, I'm not going to disturb them, I'm going to keep it here. In the next session, in the upcoming session, we'll see that. Okay, but let's make the changes to this this calls. Okay, so these methods actually. Okay, so navigated to the application, that is okay. And here let's first create the object of the home page class. Okay, so before creating the home page class object, we have to define the home page here, right? So let's say private. Okay, sorry, let's say private. Okay, home page. Okay, home page, I'm just declaring this one. Okay, home page I'm declaring over here. And here let's say that home page. Okay, home page, this is the home page, right? So let's say home page equals to, we need to initialize it, new home page, and it is expecting something, web driver, right? And we have already have the driver instantiated over here, right? Driver equals to new from driver, we will pass that here. Okay, so this will go to that constructor that we have defined, and it will initialize that driver, and it will, after that, okay, let's go there and show you. So home page, so it will go and it will get that driver, and here it will substitute and initialize the driver, and then it will initiate those web element. Okay, so that driver has control of these web elements. Okay, and after that, with the since the control is there, and with the help of those web element, we can perform these operations, right? Here we're not writing driver dot find element by expath dot something and then click, right? We're not doing that, we're directly writing, because this driver reference is already available, right? And here we are using the page factory to initialize the element. So this web element, whatever we have, they already have the reference of the driver, and they can directly go and do the operations, right? So now if you see here, where is the definition, right? So we're passing the driver over here, we're initializing here, and we're passing the driver over here. Okay, So now let's go and get rid of this code. Okay, I can get rid of this line. So here we have a specific method for that one, right? So let's say home page, right, dot. Okay, so click on the sign up or login link. Okay, so click sign up or login link, so it will go to the home page, this method, and it will perform that operation. Right here we have that sign up or login link dot click. Okay, so it will be working like that. So now this is done, and again login page should be displayed, right? So these conditions I can totally get rid of this condition. Okay, because this is already been there in our home page dot. Okay, verify sign up login page title. Okay, fine. And after that closes the browser. This is a like reusable code I already told. So driver initialization and closing of the driver, so we'll keep it as of now in the step definition. Okay, so yeah, so now we can do one thing. So we can go and let's run it, and let's see what exactly is it able to run or not. So go to the runner. Okay, so we'll run through the runner this time. So save everything, so right click and run cucumber runner. Okay, so it's building. Okay, parsing. Okay, starting cucumber test runner, instancing test. Okay, so navigate to the sign up or login page. So browser window opens and navigate to the application. Now it will maximize, clicking on the sign up or login and then closed. Okay, so now if you see those SOP statements are coming here, right? So the first SOP statement, if you see, navigated to the application. So this is first statement. Okay, so it is in this first user navigation to the application, right? The first statement, first method, and it executed that one. And then second one is clicked on the sign up or login page. So if you go here, click on sign up or login page, see, click on the sign up or login page link. Okay, and then why it is coming two times? I think here also I'm mentioning that one. Okay, I need to get rid of this one because they are already were printing, right? So that's why it is getting printed two times. So it went there and clicked on that one and then printed the statement over here. Okay, this print statement it printed, and again the control flew back, control came back to here, right? And here one more line was there, again the same print statement. So it was printing that second line. Okay, and then third one is verify sign up or login page title. So it goes to the sign up, verify sign up or login page title, and here this is getting passed, right? So this, since this is getting passed, so this line is getting executed or displayed on the console. I can rerun it and show you this extra line should be gone now from the code console. Okay, excuse me. Okay, so okay, so now if you see, only these three statements are there, right? So go to the step definition home page. When you control and click on that, you will go to that particular method definition where exactly that is defined. And if you want to go back again, so you will say control alt and left arrow. Okay, so now if you see, we are coming back to the original location where from where we went there, right? So control and click, left click, go to the function definition, method definition, and see what exactly is doing. And if you want to come back to the calling place, control alt and left arrow, we'll go back to the come back to the calling place from where you have went to the function definition. Okay, so yeah, this is all like how we have implemented our normal page object model into the application. So going forward, we'll be optimizing it and we'll be creating more number of the page classes. Okay, and that's all to this session, guys. If you guys are really enjoying the sessions, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, please put them in the comments, so we'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if you are really liking the content, so you can share it with your friends and colleagues. Okay, and I'll be sharing the list of the like other playlist that we have completed in our channel, so please go through them as well also, right? And and if you have guys any doubt, so please put them in the comment. Okay, so please to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to qaautomationclasses.com so for the further upcoming sessions. Thank you everyone, bye bye.